Let's find out how you can get your payment receipt from the Monzo app. In order to do so, we're going to check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic tool that integrates with your Chrome browser, giving you access to a powerful AI chatbot. So, the first thing you want to do is install that. Once you have it installed, at the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see this little icon here. Click on that to open your Cider bar. And then from there, we'll go and put this in full page and enter our question. According to Cider, to get a payment receipt from the Monzo app, you can follow these steps. Open the Monzo app, launching the app on your phone. Tap on the Home tab, where you'll see a list of your recent transactions. Find and tap on the specific transaction for which you want to obtain a receipt. Once you select the transaction, you'll see more details about it. Look for an option to view or download the receipt. If a downloadable receipt isn't available, you could take a screenshot of the transaction details or export them via email if that option is provided. Some businesses may send digital receipts directly to your email if you've provided it at the time of payment. If you're unable to find what you need in the app, consider visiting the Monzo website or reaching out to their customer support for assistance. And that's all there is to it. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.